Hello everyone, my name is Charly, and we want to reshape the way how people get matched to jobs in the future. So let me give you just a quick intro. So I've started working in this industry 2012, and I was focusing on developers since then. And as you know, developers is a really hard business. So it's inefficient, it's slow, and it's expensive because it's done by human. Yeah? If I give you like a quick introduction about recruiting today, you can see if companies are searching for developers, they go for ads, they go for recruiters, they go for conferences and job portals. And I will tell you one thing what they do. They pay, search, screen, talk, select, get to know, interview, select, test, hire, and pay. And I will tell you another thing. They will do it again and again and again until they get one hire. And then again, and again. So I will just sum it up how it works. So as I started 2012 working in this industry, I want to change something to make it more efficient. So in 2015, I started to build my first company to change that. I also focused on developers, to get developers to the companies. And we were quite successful, I would say. So we make more than 1 million revenue on that, but it was not enough for us. So we want to make it more productive, more efficient. So what we did is we invested that money in a second company. And the answer of that is Match.io. Match.io is completely automatized, it's fast, and it's self-learning. That means it's the job matching platform for software developers at the first place. Let me just give you a quick intro, how does Match.io work? So, companies create a profile, create a job, done. Developers create a profile, done. What happens afterwards is that our algorithm starts to match autonomously. As you can see here on the desktop version, there is a company profile. After they created their company profile and jobs, the system automatically starts to match the right candidates. And after that, a company can just write a candidate right ahead, and the developer on a smartphone just get a push notification where you can just see the match, can check if it works or not, and then have a chat together. So, to sum it up, only developers, autonomous algorithm, time saving, and we ensure a long-term fit. I will just give you also a quick intro about the business model. We have a 12% fee of annual gross salary per hire. That means when you calculate the 60,000 K earning of a developer, like average earning, you can say we have 7,200 in revenue per hire. And in plus, we guarantee 6 months for the company. So that means you pay once and you have 6 months guarantee, and like PRT, you got like credits back and you can search for another developer on our platform. When you look at the developer market, we are talking about 5.5 million developers in Europe. Most of them you can find in Germany and in the UK. But there are more 23 million developers in the US. So there is a huge market. Would you agree? And, but let's start first with Germany. So when we talk about this 840,000 developers in Germany, and based on Stack Overflow, a very known platform for developers, the developers change their jobs every month. So we talk about more than 10,000. And if we calculate the 7,200 per hire and multiply it with 10,000 developers, we have a potential revenue of 870 million by, of course, have a market cap of the whole market of 100%. So there's a huge market, and we're just talking here about Germany. Let's finish up with our plan. We just launched this year in May. We also were able to win more than 80 companies for us, so they trust our work, and they're also using our platform. We have another 600 developers, and at this point, I would like to point out that we're talking about developers, not IT people, administration, support, whatever. We're talking really about developers that are also located in the same city as the companies are located, and this is also our business model. What we want to do next, we want to grow. So we want to enhance our algorithm. We want to build more relations between the technologies that we have, and we want to do like marketing sales in this area. And of course, in the end, we want to scale not just national and like international wide. What we want to do is we want to like adapt all this industry in other industries as well. So when you talk about banks, pharma or logistics, it's very easy because the algorithm is already done. So this is Match.io. Thank you for listening. I would love to have a chat with you. We are fundraising right now, 1 million. And yeah, thank you for your attention again.